What's going on, all you kings, queens, and everyone in between? Welcome. On today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to clean your glass shower doors without using any vinegar. Now, if you're new to this channel, one thing you'll learn is that we talk a lot about using non-toxic eco-cleaning products to help save the environment, most importantly, our health, because we want to live long, healthy lives, right? So that's mainly what we talk about on this channel. So consider subscribing. So with that being said, there are some people who genuinely dislike vinegar with a passion. That is one of the less harsh chemicals that we can use to actually clean other areas and surfaces in our homes. Did you know that? It has a lot of powerful benefits that I would even argue that we probably don't even use it to its highest or truest abilities. But anyways, that can be for another time, another season, another video. If you want to learn more about the strong powers of vinegar, then go ahead and leave that in the comments below. I'm on this journey actually with learning more about eco-friendly products and practicing sustainable living in my own personal life. I've noticed that I started to make more videos pertaining to that because of climate change and misinformation of products that is actually driving me bonkers. And so if you want to learn more about that stuff, it'll be a big advantage and a big help to my channel to go ahead and subscribe and take this journey with me. Nonetheless, you come to learn how to clean a glass shower door. So I'm not gonna go on my big old tangent of things that I'm really passionate about. So we'll go ahead and dive into the things that you're gonna need to actually maintain your glass shower doors. And I'll also throw in maybe a few little things, if you're kind and leave me a like, about how to help maintain if you start to notice a little bit of lime scale or hard water in your glass shower doors. So the tools and products that you're going to need to actually clean your glass shower doors that I'm going to show you step by step using an eco-friendly product that I love, and the smell is amazing. We're going to start with Mrs. Meyer's. We're going to use a microfiber cloth, and most importantly, these tools come in handy if you need a little bit of extra elbow grease. You can use a magic eraser, but make sure that it is lightly dampened when you use this product or use this tool, just because if not, it can be very abrasive and it crumbles up and breaks. That's just the way that cleaning tool works. And then the other thing that I would recommend on anything that you clean is using the blue version of the Scotch Brite cleaning sponge, not the green and yellow, because that's very abrasive on your surfaces and can actually damage. So those are things that I've learned in the 12 or so years that I've been cleaning professionally, but now I have my own cleaning company. These are things that I highly recommend educate people in using the proper tools and equipment. Now that you have these cleaning tools and products and have a little bit of education about it, so come clean with me. All right, you got your glass cleaning cloth and your microfiber cloth and that beautiful Mrs. Meyer smell. I usually just spray the cloth first and then apply it from top to bottom on the glass shower doors. Now, if there is a lot of, look at me, goofing off. If there's a lot of like hard water stains and stuff like that, I would say use Barkeeper's Friend, the blue Scotch Brite sponge, and apply the Barkeeper's Friend onto the sponge and scrub it in a circular motion, and then rinse and repeat this process I'm showing you right now. I just briefly showed you with the glass cleaning cloth that there are actually two sides to the glass cleaning cloth. One is to help buffer and get rid of those extra smudges and stuff, and in this one you turn it over and this helps to polish. It's actually pretty nifty how the right glass cleaning cloth can, just one cloth in itself can do so many different things. Now you just saw me kind of briefly looking at the glass. I look at it at a slight diagonal to make sure I'm getting all of the debris off. This helps to see if there's any smudges, soap scum, anything left behind, I get rid of it. So we're just going to rinse and repeat, like I showed you that the glass cleaning cloth has two sides. So we're just going to rinse and repeat the same process. We're going to run through it really quickly on how you go about cleaning the fronts of it. And always double check your work. This helps to be more efficient. Now, if you're not dealing with hard water stains and the shower has just a lot of soap scum and stuff like that, what I've noticed that helps save for time purposes is actually spraying down your shower walls and then cleaning other parts of the bathroom, and then come back and use that dampened magic eraser to remove it a lot faster. And that's what I've learned from top to bottom. Now that you've seen the techniques, you've learned a little bit about the tools and equipment that we use to help maintain a more eco-friendly environment in our homes. These are products and tools that I highly recommend, ones that I use and recommend in my company. And I'm always learning new tools, techniques, and products to help making sure that we keep the environment and ourselves healthy and safe. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like this video and share it with someone else who's on the same journey of wanting to make sure that we use clean, pure products and tools to helping to maintain the cleanliness of our home, but most importantly, the sanity of giving us more time freedom. In the meantime, I hope to see you in the next video. So stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.